Oh shit, you can hear me? What? My mic's supposed to be off. Oh, I'm getting copyright. Oh, I'm getting copyright. Fellas, 20 seconds. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for the NY stream? 20 seconds. Whoops. The NY stream. Okay, you can tell that I'm not really set up that much, but 1 second, guys. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, wait. Yo! We're live here in NY, chat. NY. I might put on a light. I feel like I should put on a light. I don't know if you guys can see me fully. Nah, I don't know. Helmet? I'm not wearing no helmet, bro. What are you talking about? It's so echoey in here. It's dark as heck. Yeah, let me put on a light. What do you think about my new jersey, bro? That's all I got. That's all I got, chat. That's a little better. Brother, though. What do y'all think? I got this in Las Vegas. Bro, we had a crazy trip. You guys don't understand. A crazy vlog is coming. But we got a market, nice market open today. We got 8 minutes till 12:30. That's better? Thank you. Guys, we have a beautiful week ahead of us. I'm going to the stock exchange later today, which is going to be pretty crazy. It's going to be pretty crazy. But we got a stream ahead of us. So let's jump right to it. Let's jump right to it, chat. It's weird because when I'm streaming at home, I usually have my headphones on so I can hear myself talk, but did I win anything? Nope, not. I won 57 cents. I didn't even win that because it's just like negative, but yeah, no. I'm astronomically down bad. Like down bad beyond down bad. What's up, sweet potato? How's it going, guys? All right, so clearly off the market open, you can see that we're a little bit messy here. I have to do a little bit of higher time frame analysis, but just give me a second, chat. Just give me a second. Am I lagging? Doesn't look like I'm lagging on my phone. Hopefully not. No? Okay. Maybe it's somebody else. That's the only thing, guys. I don't have an Ethernet cord here. But anyways. What I'm looking at right now. What are we looking at right now? Let's do a quick little bit of analysis here. All right. Little sum. Look at this. Ooh. Ooh. Some people say I'm not lagging. Some people say I am lagging. So I have no idea. Oh, now it is? It looks fine to me. I don't know. We'll see. Just let me know if it's bad. But look at what we have, guys. Look at what we have. We have a beautiful Monday. It's May the 4th. Yeah, it is. We have a beautiful Monday. Beautiful 1 hour for value gap. Look at those relative equal lows that we're taking. Look at that, chat. That is absolutely beautiful. You see that 4 hour for value gap. Look at that reaction. That is just instant all-time high retracement. That is just obvious. Like, we're ripping in all-time highs, chat. To me, it looks like it wants to just turn up. To me, it looks like it just wants to turn up. So that's what we're going to be looking for. I know there's relative equal lows down here, but we're going to completely ignore that. Maybe we could soup those lows and then turn back up higher. We really got to see what 930 does. But it's literally basing just off of this, guys. It's literally just basing off of this. Consolidation, either manipulation, distribution, or consolidation, expansion. Stream Friday or Thursday. I tried, guys, the time zone with the jet lag and the things I had to do in Vegas. It was a little hard. Why is my room looking like that? Dude, New York rooms, because they're surrounded by buildings, have no light. The wick out is a little bit crazy, though. The wick out is low-key OD. The wick out is a little OD. Patience, guys. And how was Friday? I heard Friday was like, was Friday's session good or bad? Can't wait to see the Vegas footage. Oh, chat, you guys don't even understand. You guys don't even understand what you're about to get. Everybody like on that stream. Let's go crazy, guys. Everybody make sure that like on that stream. We are logged in on Tradeovate. Everything's good. Everything is great for 9:30, guys. Let's go. Let's go. By the way, guys, we have a huge thing. There's a huge announcement, guys. Oh, I gotta sneeze. Uh-oh. Good, mid, good. There's a Ninja Trader Trading Cup that you can sign up for. You just gotta go to my Twitter. Don't forget regular trading hour gaps. Yeah, no, that's also another reason why I want to see kind of a power of 3 situation play out today and not something different. Oh, yeah, let's mark them in an open. You're right. Dude, it's been a while. I kind of miss my setup, though, chat. I'm not going to lie. I'm kind of a little homesick. I want to just be on my setup streaming. Low-key just want to be like that. But you can see that midnight open. Everything looks so beautiful for longs, chat. We just got to wait for 9:30 to show up. That's it. We just got to wait for 9:30. Not a lot of people are trading today, eh? A little bit of a consolidation here. Am I still in Vegas? No. I'm in New York now. You're chilling at my setup right now? Is that right, Camelot? Pass 150K Apex eval while on a cruise? No way. That's sick. One second, chat. Just making sure my stream's good. Yeah, it looks good. Everything looks fine. We should be good. We should be good, chat. Anyways, we have a crazy consolidation on market open. Full port Monday? Last risk today? Yeah. May 4th. Yeah, you good? All right, perfect. Everybody like on that stream. Let's get to 100 likes. 200 likes. Listen, chat. Ben went to Vegas and forgot about us last week, bro. You guys try to go to bed at 2 in the morning and then wake up at 6 a.m. with jet lag. Y'all forget Vegas is 3 hours behind. You fucking with the shirt? Thank you, brother. Guys, I'm going to the Knicks game today. This is the plan. I'm going to the stock exchange. I'm going to get insider information, right? And I'll let y'all know, like, the call-outs. Then I'm going to the Knicks game. I'm going to wear this. What do you think? The Balenciaga NBA jersey? Isn't Vegas in Canada? Okay, bro. Yeah, well, walking, but you're used to it. I'm not. And then when you go straight to it, I just could wake up. Yeah, by the way, I'm now affiliated with TPT, guys. So the more you use code BEN on Take Profit Trader, the more giveaway accounts I can do. Bro, Rob, where do you see that? What does Balenciaga translate to? What? Balenciaga in Latin. Hold on. No, it's Balrexist. Because Balenciaga. I don't know. I'm not deep in that. What the heck? My computer just shut off. Chat. What is happening right now? Whoa. Wait. Hold on, chat. My computer just shut right off. Everything good? Okay, we're good. Anyways, I got scared for a second. I thought my computer just shut off. Do I fish? Why are people asking me if I fish? Yeah, guys, I know it's tough streaming here in New York. I'll try. It's tough streaming here in New York, guys. Yeah, guys, I know it's tough streaming here. Oh, my camera's delayed because of that. Hold on, I'll restart my camera. Don't worry. But we got a nice 930 rally to the downside. Hold on, I'm restarting my camera. Just give me a second. Hold on. There we go. Should be better. Bro, chat, I'm sorry. I don't know why it's doing this. I'm on my laptop. It's not my mic, but we'll try again. We'll try deactivating, activating that. But right now we got 930 rally to the downside, which is exactly what we want to see. We want to see price action turn down. That is exactly what we want to see. It's exactly what we want to see here, chat. Bro. Hold on, let me turn off my camera back on again. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Want to see draw to those relative equal lows before we look for some longs here, chat. Want to see draw to those relative equal lows before we look for some longs. It might be your mic. Want to see draw to those relative equal lows. Dude, why is it doing that, chat? If this, then that. That's literally what my mic is doing. If this, then that. Why is it doing that? Why is it doing that? We're going to look for longs here, though, chat. Does look nice. I think it is my mic. Let me see. If it doesn't work, we're just going to have to deal with it. You guys can still get my call outs. What's it doing? It's delayed, apparently. But we want to see price action sell off here. Look at all these relative equal highs that we're leaving open. And coupled with that midnight open profile, I kind of want to see it sell off to the sell side. But we don't have to see that. We just need to see a break out of the range. Let's make some money today. Yes, sir. Profile, I kind of want to see it sell off to the sell side. See that. We just need to see a break out of the range. Let's make some money today. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's delayed as fuck. Yeah, I'm logged into TradeBit. I'm chilling. It's a Wi-Fi issue. That's what it is. Why have you had it before? Well, I can do it. I can do this real quick. Watch. Maybe this will work. I don't know. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. Forgive me. Maybe this will work. I don't know. Your mic connection is probably not streaming with video due to weak signal. Oh, Mr. Technical Analysis. I told you, bro, you lived in Brampton. Mr. Techie. You're long now. Nice, dude. I'm not. Guys, I've been getting no sleep because of the planes, dude. It's actually really bad. When do I come back to Toronto? Tuesday night. Oil's dumping. Nice. That's what I want to see. I want to see us take a little bit of sell side here, though. Taking a little bit of sell side would be nice. Maybe this is why. Hold on. Let me see. Maybe this is why. Hold on. Yeah, no, it's my camera. It's my camera. It's not my mic. But we want to see some sort of breakout of this range, guys. Right now we're ranging. Just going to try to deactivate it and activate it again. Switch my integrated one. Oh, what is that? I mean, this works. Chat, should I do this? Does this work? No, not even this camera works. Not even this camera works. It is my mic then, I guess. I don't know. Dude, what is this? What's going on? I hate streaming away from home because this is what happens. So I want to see these relativity lows being taken beautifully. I already did that, John Mill. But I want to see price actions. No, I mean, it only happened when my screen went black, Camelot. So that's why I think that's what happened. You didn't use code Ben, that's why? Yeah, true. Guys, I met up with Desi, Dodgy, Nick, and Matt, and a bunch of other people. Bro, and Shinobi. I met up with Shinobi. This guy pulls up in an all sweatshirt, sweatpant outfit, and then just a side bag with a $16,000 Pokemon card in it. So far, there's no nothing, but we do love how we are manipulating a little bit. I want to see those relative equal lows taken before we look for some longs. Look at all these engineered highs right here, guys. This is what's catching my attention. Is I want to see longs at this point. I want to see longs right here. Why am I getting okay, bro? Y'all better not troll me. Y'all, nah. I'm getting notifications popping on my screen. Shinobi Mad Aura with the M3. He doesn't have the M3. He sold it for the Audi. He sold it for the Audi. Chat. Hold on. I'm gonna post something in chat. Let me know if you can get it. But we have a huge thing going on. We have a huge thing going on, chat. If you saw my Discord, you will know what I'm talking about. But guys, this link is a registration to a free trading cup. So not only that, guys, but each registration that you do, I get 50 bucks from, and it's free. So what I was going to do is I'm going to get a bunch of funded accounts for you guys if we hit 1,000 registrations. But, yeah, no, it's a free Ninja Trader Cup. So basically, you have 1 day for a qualifier. Qualifiers make like 25K. And then if you go to the championship, there's $200,000 of money in a prize pool. And there's only 10,000 participants allowed. And it's Ninja Trader. So it's pretty sick. You want to be on Team Ben. Make sure to register there. Shinobi needs Ben's diet. Bro, I need to lock in back on my diet. That Vegas trip kind of killed me. I'm not going to lie with you guys. That Vegas trip did not do me good. Are they going to ask for my social security number? No, I might, though. Look at that reaction to the upside. That is beautiful. That's exactly what we want to see. Now, what am I paying attention to right now, guys, before I engage in for any longs? Look at what has happened here. We have wicks. So what do we need? We need a body reaction. We cannot be eager to be getting into a position until we get a body reaction. The body reaction is everything that we need, guys. I need to make sure that my accounts are copy traded here on Trade of 8. Yeah, they are. We're good. Nice. I love it when I'm like already set up. Look at that reaction though, eh? Look at that consolidation at 50% of that wick. Look how we're starting to bodying up above higher. We took these highs, so now all we're looking for is price action to break out above it. But we have a lot of room, right? We can also take standard deviation. You can see we're really kind of consolidating in that new week opening gap, or the new month opening gap, to be honest. We're consolidating inside of it right now, so we need to wait for an expansion out of those highs to break up above it. 50 bags just like that if you get 100 registrations. No, 1,000 registrations. Yeah. So guys, make sure to sign up with that link. Even if you aren't going to participate in the cup, it's a free sign up. So if you want to help support me, sign up there. It's completely free, and I get $50 per sign up. And then I'll be able to give some back to the community. So the link that is pinned. Yeah, today's weird. I mean, it's May 4th, so that is a stock exchange event. I am going to the stock exchange, guys. If you guys don't know, I'm in New York right now. I'm going to the stock exchange after stream, so no PM session. You get 50. That's wild. I know, right? Chat, If you guys literally, it takes 2 seconds to sign up. If you sign up there, not only do you get eligible for a trading cup, so it's free. It's a free funded account. If you sign up there, you get a free funded account with Ninja Trader. I also get $50. It's a win-win scenario. I've been watching you for a couple weeks, bro. You're not very good trader. Aww. Guys, I have a podcast coming out with Rips. Yo, who? Okay. Yeah, y'all, did y'all see? Y'all know who's in my vlog? QCP, bro. Who knows QCP? So he just pulled up and came to dinner with us. I'm not even kidding, chat. We were eating dinner and he's just outside and he just pulls up and then sits next to me. So I had to order the chest. This guy, chat. Wait. This guy. Wait. So he just pulls up. He fell off. What are you talking about? He still has 20 million followers. And I just randomly, I just look over and he's right there. So I was like, all right, I had to do it. So I go to Poppy Steak. I order the chest. And then Curtis from Vine as well was there, chat. Remember Curtis, like the creator of SmackCam? Bro, that was Curtis sitting right next to me. The most random collab. So we got Rips, me, Curtis, the guy who created SmackCam, and then QCP. And then we had an Olympic skier on the other side of the ends, and then James Marchioni, all at one table. It was the most whack collab. No clue who these people are. There's no way you don't know who Curtis is, the creator of SmackCam. But see how we avoided from chasing into longs and we waited for price to break out of this level? Don't be taking this long either, guys, because what you want to pay attention to is if we're going to break out of this, because this is clearly a time where it just wicks to and then reverses back down lower. So we can revisit back up these highs and body above this high. Then we can take an entry. As long as we're kind of below minute open, I would want to find a long entry. But this right here, I'm going to avoid taking. Wow, Vine, what a throwback. Search up SmackCam Vine. Bro, he was a 2-time Olympic gold medalist. And then I was hanging out with people with over 20 million followers, bro. And then we hit the tables. What's wrong with the audio? I'm in New York right now. The internet's not doing good, so I'll just put my hat down. Wait for price action to body above those highs, then we'll look for longs, guys. Guys, I'm going to the New York Knicks game today. Who do you think? Who do you got in the Knicks game? Damn, Vine was the start of everything? Yeah, dude. This guy created influencers. What's the link for again? Free funded accounts, basically. So it's a Ninja Trader Cup. It's a free registration. You log in, and if you perform well, you get paid, and then you get to the championship rounds where you can make $200,000 completely free. It's basically a free funded account. Okay, now that you see we're reacting off this fair value gap, now we can be looking for something. So now that we're retesting these levels and breaking again, we're looking for longs. Bro, I joined the competition but didn't know where to join Team Bend. Did you join through that link? If you join through that link, you're already on my team. If you join through that link, you're on my team, guys. So that's good. Guys, I'm telling you, my team's going to go crazy because we got the best traders. And on top of that, bro, y'all could just copy trade me. Like, yo, our team is going to win because we could all just be taking the same positions. We can low-key all just be taking the same positions, chat. Sign up for the challenge. Good luck. Hey, brother, hopefully you do well. I did the speed test. I have good enough Wi-Fi. I don't know. It's just a little inconsistent. If I didn't have good enough Wi-Fi, I wouldn't have streamed. But see how we're drawing up higher, guys? This is exactly what I want to be looking for. That's exactly what I want to be seeing. What are you talking about, Awoke? Last month we were super up. It was just the last half of the month that was bad. We had a break-even week and then a negative week for the last half. But the first half we made 70K, then 10K. Y'all gotta remember, like, when I take like 3 losses, I still have previous P&L that's supporting that. Like, you got to remember, if I'm up 70K from last week and then I lose 10K the next week, I'm still up 60K. That's the thing, and I talk about that in my podcast. Is people expect to have a profitable week every week, and like, dude, you guys got to remember, like, you guys got to let the compound, you know. Raheem already added, eh? That's just if you can't trade the date for number one. But and there's still no fair value gap. I am very interested in longs, but I want to see a little bit of expansion. We can use standard deviation in this manipulation, so we can take trades in all-time highs as well, no issue. What's my bias? Definitely long. Definitely want to see longs, but I kind of want to break out of this. Guys, I need to ask you a question. I need your help really quickly. I need your help. I picked these up. I found these. Are they any good? Like, chat, like, realistically, though, like, are these any good? I don't know much about Pokemon. They say they're PSA 10s. Are they, like, worth anything? Or are they, dookie? Are they worth anything, chat? That's 20K? You're lying, bro. Stop capping. You're lying. That's so cap. CGC slabs aren't the best. What's up, Bella? How's it going? Good morning. I'm back in the mid-house, Bella. Yo, guys, you want to know what's crazy? So when I flew back, while we're waiting for long, see why I told you to avoid this long? Look at this. We didn't body above these highs. That's literally like, chat. You guys got to listen to me when I say that. Like, I had no FOMO when we started rallying up higher. But when we don't body above these highs, I've seen this millions of times. You avoid it at all costs. By the way, so I took a red-eye flight on my way from Vegas to New York. So and it was 3 hours behind. So I landed at 9 a.m. I boarded a plane. I got to the airport at 7 p.m. and then I landed at 9 a.m. All right? 7 p.m., 9 a.m. When I got to my hotel, I thought I'd go straight to bed, get ready for the dinner. And then I go to the front desk. I'm like, yo, can I get my room? They're like, nah, you can't check until 4 p.m. I looked at her. I was like, it was like the 1,000-mile stare with no sleep for 2 days. I was like, I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I slept on the couch in the lobby. I'm not capping. I slept on the couch in the lobby, hugging my belongings, making sure I wouldn't get robbed. But look at that beautiful reaction. Again, we need a fair value gap. Then we can look for a trade. We just need a little fair value gap. Why I couldn't check in? I'm not even kidding. I was wearing my Montclair shirt. I don't speak Spanish. Sorry, brother. I was wearing my Montclair shirt. I was wearing my these Versace glasses, and I was like dead asleep. And I slept. I had a really good sleep on that couch. I'm not gonna lie. It was actually pretty comfortable. You want a short? Nah, bro. Nah, we're in all-time high markets, man. We're longing. Sometimes you can pay for early check-in. Dude, I tried. I said if I buy another... I literally said this. If I pay for half the amount of an extra night just to get check-in early by 5 hours, can you do that? And like, nah, you book through a different... It's because I booked through Expedia, bro. Every time I want to do something and I book through Expedia, they're like, nah, you can't. You book through Expedia. I got to stop doing that. Again, no fair value gap, no entry, guys. This looks easily reversible. You got to be patient. You got to be very careful, too. You got to be very, very careful with what's happening. You don't want to force anything. Everybody like on that stream. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. But by the way, guys, that link that you see is free funded accounts. There's no catch. All you got to do is register, and you get invited to a tournament of NinjaTrader where basically if you perform well enough to the point where you pass a funded account challenge, you're going to get paid. And then you get invited to a championship round. And then if you perform well there, you can make 200K. No catch. No nothing. It's completely free, and it's NinjaTrader. It's come on, like it's NinjaTrader. Guys, okay, should I streak the game at the New York Knicks game today? Should I write on my chest, use code BED or like something like that, and then go shirtless and streak the Knicks game? Because I think I'm near the floor. I signed up immediately. Nice. See, I told you guys to wait out for those longs, guys. There's a lot of sell side. Although I'm straight easily bullish, there's a lot of sell side we can easily wick right now. Streaking better than itself to streak, that would be hilarious. I think I am near the floor, near the core side, so I think I could do it if I wanted to, but I don't really want to get arrested in New York as a Canadian. You should get the confirmation link soon. How many entries can you do? Just one. Just one. Don't over enter. I'll get in trouble. Chat. Don't say that. Say it's in GTA Lamau. If someone clips and this and sends it to them, they could deny you access to the game. Nah, bro. I'll be fine. They're not going to deny me access. I got the connections, guys. How do you think I got the courtside tickets? Bro, what a weirdo. What the heck? I just opened a reply I got on Twitter, and the bro goes, hopefully you scam them later and they kick themselves. Bro, what? There's actually some weird people on social media, bro. Like, if I don't get, like, extremely famous where I hire bodyguards and everything, I'm just gonna vanish and go to Europe or something. Apparently, for those that don't know, courtside seats to the Knicks in a playoff game is a huge flex. Props to you, my boy. Thank you, brother. Yeah, they're very expensive. I didn't pay for them, though. Who do you think paid for them? Who do you think paid for the tickets? Oh, laughing and rich. Well, y'all think I'm not longing, bro. What are you talking about? I'm not in a position. If I was super, super long, I'd be in it. Guys, what's wrong with Balenciaga? I've been hearing a lot of people saying it's like very satanic. Like, if it is, then let me know. Like, but I need to I want an actual definition. I don't want just someone saying that. No, I wouldn't live in Puerto Rico. I'll never say never, but I'm not too interested. I like staying near family. I might move to LA though. I might move to LA. Bro, just because something says the word ball in it doesn't mean it's talking about that. What does Enciaga mean? That doesn't, bro. Enciaga to English. Translation. Waiting for longs, guys. We need expansion of that. It literally says the common social media claims that suggest Balenciaga Latin translation for Ballas King are false. Balenciaga is a Basque surname meaning place of waller, Sinaga, with AC is Spanish for swamp or bog. The Balenciaga brand is named after its founder, Cristobal Balenciaga. Balenciaga rumor. Online theories claim Balenciaga was Latin for Ballas King. I don't want to even say that. But this is false and non-Latin phrase. The surname brand, the fashion brand, is delivered from Basque surname Balenciaga, meaning house of the whaler. In Spanish, Sinaga, often written as Sinaga or Siaga, without the N, refers to swamp, bog, or morass. I got a lot of Spanish people in here too. They shouldn't be knowing that. At the end of the day, guys, regardless of what I wear, regardless of what I do, the Lord knows my heart. You know, I'm not wearing this because that's what I'm supporting. Ben, motherfuckers will just say anything to paint you as a non-follower. Bro, Ben, aren't you Christian? Why are you promoting affiliates? All right, we're chopping. We got to wait for an expansion to the upside, guys. We got to be patient. I can't believe 1,000 people are watching me with a delayed mic. Okay, one thing I realized, guys, is like y'all gotta stop trying to search it. Like I used to spend my time thinking about conspiracy theories and like, oh, they're not telling me on Google, all the weather, this, the the chemtrails. I was like, dude, just live your life. You know what I'll do, chat? I'll make my camera smaller. I'll make my camera smaller. There, you can see more data now. I'm not gonna lie, guys. If you go drink Starbucks, if you eat McDonald's, if you do any of that, you're doing the same thing. So I want to see Fair Value out to the upside. Although it's very beautiful, I'm glad I'm not in those longs yet. No, I want to have something because I want to show you guys something. I can show you guys my room later. Get a little tour. I got a kitchen in my room. I got a kitchen in my room. Look at that expansion. That's exactly what we want to see. I mean, I guess we could have took the turtle soup there, but I would rather wait. This is what we want to look for now, chat. Hopefully it can hold. Hopefully that can hold. Then we can catch something like this. I mean, I could put it down there, but that low should be protected. Even just to midnight open is 2R. That's beautiful. 23. $75. Bruh. There's still a fair value gap here. All right. Locked in. Getting ready to out of position here. We're going to look for something like this. Want to see a trade to that fair value gap, then push up higher here. I'm locked and loaded though, chat. Hovering over the buy button. I'm not trading my PAs today, guys. It's messy. I'm trading my Apex. I mean my Lucid accounts. So I'm gonna do heavy risk here, but it is a cut risk thing. Okay, I just need to see a green candle, and then we can get into the long here. This is cut risk. It's supposed to be cut risk. I'm just trading my evals on this. So if you are trading your main accounts, cut risk on it. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Just need to see a green candle. Ideally, I want to wait for that body reaction, but it doesn't need to. But we need to wait. Nothing yet. No entry yet, guys. Don't engage. Got to wait for a body reaction. Got to wait for a body reaction. Fair value gap is still valid. See if we have anything on the 2 minute, 3 minute. No. I mean, just order flow on the 3 minutes. What's carrying it? Same with that 5 minute manipulation wick. Now we're just going to wait for it to trade up here. Yeah, no entry. Looks like it's complete. This is it's still chopping. We need to get an expansion out of here. Yeah, we got to be patient, guys. Is the stream delayed, chat? I don't think it's delayed. No, all you have to do is just fast forward. I think you might be delayed. Is the stream delayed, chat? It's delayed by 5 seconds. Yeah, sorry guys. The internet's bad. Oh, wait. The long can still be valid here. Wait for me. Wait. Alright, I'll take a long here. Just want to see it break out of my fill level. Yeah, it's just looking so poor, chat. Let's see this body reaction, though. If we could body up here, then I'd get in, but it looks like it's failing to do that. So, I mean, I'm not going to walk. I'm not going to look off for another 15 seconds. Yeah, I'm not taking that. I'm sorry, guys. We're going to have to wait for something higher quality. I'm sorry, I would, but just like it's not me, you know, it's not what I want to be engaging in. By the way, guys, Tradeify is also have a big discount. Tradeify, Lucid Trading, Apex Trader Funding, TPT you can now use code Ben on, which is pretty big. Take Profit Trader does code Ben, but the biggest thing right now, because everyone knows affiliate codes like blah 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 blah. The biggest thing that I got for you guys, because not a lot of people got accepted, only I believe 10 people got accepted into this. So this is huge, guys. Only 10 traders got accepted into this. Only 10 people are going to be able to give people accounts like this away. That link that is pinned is Ninja Trader Trading Cup. So the winner gets $200,000 plus an invite somewhere. I can't remember where. But it's a completely free registration, and it's a free funded account, basically. Except your stats are tracked, and if you do really well, you make a lot more money. Free funded account there. If you log in, I make $50 on every free login, so... If you are Ultimate supporters, go get your parents to do it too. Alexander, thank you for the sub. But we need to wait for an expansion. We could have been in long from that fair value gap, but again, I'd rather just be waiting out right now and waiting for that expansion to the upside. By the way, guys, I'm back home streaming Wednesday morning, so if you guys don't want to watch with a delay, Wednesday morning is when I'm fully back. I am in New York right now. I'm going to the stock exchange in a bit. I am going to the stock exchange later, chat, so I'll show you a little bit of clips in there. That'll be cool. That'll be pretty cool. Still haven't gotten confirmation email? You should get it. Which prop firm is free? No, when you sign up with that link right there, that you're basically registering for a Ninja Trader Cup. Lucid 40% off, 50% off? Yeah, I know. Guys, I lost a lot. Whoa. What just happened? Yeah, Meta's killing me, dude. Meta is killing me, bro. That's so tough. But do you know what's doing good, though? TQQQ really ripping up, eh? TQQQ is ripping. I mean, I'm still holding on to Meta, but that shit is killing me. Oracle's doing well. Not shabby. Whoops. Guys, should I make a video on how to do Sunday analysis, like bonds, yields, looking at the dollar, all that? Because I feel like a lot of you guys, like, type 1 if you, on your Sunday analysis, you look at the bonds, the yields, like, the dollar, the interest rates, the forex calendar, or if you just get on the charts and look for patterns. Like, y'all need to understand, it's actually very important to do that. It's actually very important to do that. Everybody smash that like button, guys. Let's get to 200 likes. Let's get to 200 likes. Smash that like button. So many professional people in my chat right now. Why do I see like 3 people in suits? Can you turn your mic up a bit? Yeah. If you guys want to learn options, not gonna lie, go search up Desi. He's a lot better at options than me. I want to see price action give us a fair value up to the upside here, guys. We got to be patient. We will find something. We will find something to enjoy here. I know we will find something to enjoy. But nothing yet. I posted the challenge things on my Twitter. Told you not to get in the longs there. Told y'all. Them longs are dirty, bro. Them longs are dirty. Y'all don't want to be in long right now. Ben, tell the guys at the stock exchange to take out the lows and give me entry. Guys, I go to the stock exchange at 12. What should I tell them? I got to get ready to go soon. You guys got an hour left. I got an hour left to stream here. It's an MNQ thing? Nah, you're capping. Did someone just get stopped out because of that? Did someone just get stopped out because of that MNQ thing? Nah, I really hope not. I really hope not, bro. Tell them to start trading. I hope that didn't happen, chat. I hope that did not happen, y'all. Guys, wait for an expansion to the outside. At the end of the day, why is TJR in a long, bro? I swear every time TJR is just in a position. Why is TJR in a long here? Like, bro, what? Like, this, look at the chart. Look at the chart. Come on, gang. Patience is everything, guys. Patience is absolutely everything. I'm trying to find something to show you guys. Like, I need more content. I just got nothing. Chat. I'm going to the stock exchange in 2 hours. What should I do? Should I wear the Balenciaga fit there? Should I wear the Balenciaga fit? He doesn't have our patience. Yes, guys, patience. I'm low-key been thinking about taking Spanish classes. Guys, this shirt was $2,000. YD, I'm not doing that. Gotta be patient, guys. We gotta wait for a rally to the upside. We're not getting nothing so far, so we just gotta sit on our hands. Trust the process. Things are gonna show up. You just gotta be patient, guys. I feel like 10:30 could deliver us out of there. We'll see, though. Guys, this vlog, you guys aren't even ready for what's about to happen at this vlog, guys. You guys aren't even ready for what this vlog is gonna bring. I wish I brought my camera hitman here to New York. That would have been so much cooler. But look at this ultimate LARP, guys. It's delayed, so I'll turn the volume off. Look at this ultimate LARP. Look at that expansion. That's a beautiful expansion to the outside. It's so funny because that's with like super celebrities, bro. There's such a weird collaboration. There we go. Let's see if this can hold here. That would be nice. That'd be a nice breakout. Am I going inside the stock exchange? Yeah, in 2 hours, brother. In an hour and a half, basically. I'm going to be there. Blue bands. I know I want to like have a nice sniper entry, but I'm not going to lie, chat. I need a stop loss this big because look at these wicks that we're getting. $35. We're not taking that many contracts here if we do get a fill. I mean, I'll take it, guys, but this will be my only entry pretty much. Hopefully we can get a fill here. Once my vlog dropping, it's gonna take a couple weeks because it'll take like 5 days to export all the videos, and then it'll take some time to edit it. Then the design and everything. So. Hopefully we get a fill here. We should get a fill. Come on, Dr. Phil. Don't rip without us. Dr. Phil! Bro, that was so loud. Someone heard me say that. Bro, the echo in my room's insane, chat. No, Dr. Phil, dude. Don't go out with us. No, Dr. Phil, bro. The ultimate betrayal, chat. I'm not gonna lie, I mogged everyone in this photo, chat. I mogged everyone in that photo. I'm mogging Desi. I'm mogging Dodgy. I'm mogging Shinobi. Low-key, even though Nick is taller than me, I'm still mogging him, bro. I'm still mogging him. I was on the stream where I met Dr. Phil. Well, we just met Dr. Phil. So hopefully Dr. Phil can do us nice now. Shinobi's too easy to mog. What do you mean Yeezys in the big 26, bro? The Yeezys are tough. Bro, the Yeezys are tough. Shinobi cooked me? What? Look at that fill right there, bro. Look at that snipe. Oh my gosh. Who's Dr. Phil? It's whenever we're waiting for a fill, we say, Dr. Phil, where are you? Because Dr. Phil is like a famous person. Chat, look what should I add this to the background? I just got a treat. I just got a treat. Bro's Canadian 2015 drip. Bro, you realize this Balenciaga NBA jersey literally just came out like last week. This is literally heat. I'm going to the Knicks game, brother. Obviously, I'm cheer for the Knicks. I'm in New York. My TP is all-time highs. TP is all-time highs, chat. But it's Balenci, bro. Balenci's still in the game, bro. Just because it's an older designer brand, don't mean nothing. It's still a $2,000 jersey. Like, y'all be saying that, but then be wearing Zara. Like, bro, Zara's been in the game for decades. Or like y'all be saying that, but then be wearing Gap. Like, bro, Gap was a thing 20 years ago. Or motherfuckers will be wearing Bape. I don't know the videos, Anthony. I'll search it up. Guys, I'm anticipating a high resistance liquidity run here. That's why my stop loss is big. I know Zara is the best, bro. Zara's tough. I love Zara. I'm just saying they've been around for ages. Fair value gap is 3 candlestick pattern. It's an inefficiency in price action. So you see that these 3 candlesticks with the gap where the wicks aren't overlapping each other. That's a fair value gap. We're not judging other people's clothes. Guys, half my wardrobe is Zara clothes. It's starting to change now because I'm starting to spend a little bit more money on clothes. But literally half my wardrobe is Zara and Lululemon. Like, I'm wearing Lululemon pants right now. The polyester fits, though. That's one thing I don't like is the polyester. Explosion and fire reported in South Korea in the Strait of Hormuz. South Korean vessel in the Strait of Hormuz. U.S. calls on China to help reopen the Strait of Hormuz and restore energy flows. Missile warning issued in Dubai. Still drama going around, dude. It's like high school. So far, it's a nice log, chat. Not hating, but I feel like wearing a 2K shirt is not necessary. No, it's totally not necessary, bro. The fuck? I agree with you. I got peer pressured into buying it by Rips. Guys, Rips is an all-time poker player, bro. This guy just walks around with 50K cash in his pocket in case he wants to play around. Like, I was walking by the store and Rips's wife goes, "Oh, Ben, you should look at Balenciaga." I was like, all right. And I walk in there. Here's the thing, guys. My cameraman's there recording the vlog. So it's like, all right, I'll look at it. And then she's like, she goes and hugs the employee and then goes, "Oh, this is my friend Ben. He's from Canada. You got to help him out with something." She instantly brings 20 different things, spends 20 minutes on it. I was like, dude, what did I put myself into? Now I have to buy something because I just made this girl work for 20 minutes. And I was like, fine. You know what? Fine. And then I picked the jersey I like the most, not realizing that it's $2,000. Bro, that is not what it stands for on apply. Yeah, I did just splurge that trip. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I did splurge that trip for the first time ever. Like, I've never splurged like I have. Like, I spent 50K this month. I've never done that before, and I feel terrible about it. But I did it for the vlog, and the vlog is gonna be insane. The reason why I spent 50K is, well, I'm including the how much I spent for the vlog and the cameraman and the hotel rooms and all that. But the vlog is gonna be sick, guys. It's gonna be sick. Celebrities, everything. Shinobi did not post a picture of me wearing a helmet. You're capping. There's no way. There's no way. Yeah, bro, what are you talking about? No, he didn't. Capstar. Capstar. 50K is nothing? Yeah, 50K is a lot of money for someone that has no expenses, bro. So far, the log's doing pretty well, chat. Another Buns Monday? What is that? Bro, they're screaming outside. Is there like a homeless guy getting in a fight? Chat. It's like a full blown out like argument outside. Who's outside, bro? So far, it's looking nice, chat. Ben's realizing what life is like outside of Canada. Chat. We don't get that in Canada, bro. It's all quiet and respectful. My bad, Ben. It's me combating your haters. Dude, we gotta wait for reaction. We gotta break this 5-minute gap that we're in right now. This 5-minute gap is a little bit worrying, but we should be able to break it. Did you watch ICT directly? Yeah. You know what's funny though? I was at dinner with Desi, Dodgy, and all big players in the space. But I was trading the longest. You know, I was like, Dodgy, how long have you been trading? He's like, since 2022. Desi, how long have you been trading? He's like, since 2022. I was like, how long have you been trading? He's like, oh, I started in 2023. And they're like, Ben, how long have you been trading? I'm like, I've been trading since I was 13 years old, bro. Like, I was the youngest there, but I was also, like, the most experienced in the markets. I was like, they're like, how long have you been trading? I was like, how long have you been trading? 2019. Like 2020, 2019 is how long I've been trading. That's the thing is whenever I go to trading events, everyone's like, "Oh, this kid's young. He doesn't know shit. Like he's probably like one of those TikTok larpers, been in the space for 1 year and started making money on affiliate codes." And then I'm like, "Yo, I've been around longer than you have. Okay? Like I started trading in 2019. You stop talking. Just because I was 13 doesn't disvalue anything. How old am I? I'm 20. Terrible rally to the downside, but again, I'm anticipating high resistance liquidity runs, so it should be fine. Not gonna lie, chat. I'm gonna turn into the ultimate mogger, bro. Once I start these looks maxing things, like I'm already tall. Like when I went there, everyone's like, "Bro, Ben, why are you a lot taller than I thought you were?" Okay, I am tall, chat. I'm actually pretty tall. I am tall, chat. All right. Nick trades options is like 6'3", 6'4". Okay. Look at me hype Mog and Desi there. All right. I'm pretty tall, chat. Y'all think I'm short. I promise I'm not. Bro's 1 year older than me. Bro, I gotta lock in. You don't gotta lock in, bro. Everyone has their own clock. Don't worry about someone because of their age. What do you mean Shinobi's mogging me, bro? I mogged the whole table, bro. What are you talking about? Nice reaction to the upside. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Desi's 5'7". No, he's not. Bro, Desi's not 5'7". He's like 6 foot. I'll give him that. He's like probably 6 foot, 5'10". 5'11". You're the best. Offering live trading with no subscription, it makes the difference for us beginners. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bro, Shinobi's so comfy. This guy, when I met him, I dabbed him up, like gave him a hug. Bro, is so his sweatshirt was so fluffy. He just gives me a hug, just like a big warm bear, bro. He's a really nice guy though. Shinobi's super nice. Who had the best hair? Me, bro. I had the best hair there. Low-key realizing after trading long enough, you just get numb to the number jumping up and down. Dude, I'm telling you. Emotions doesn't come from something that you have to change. It just comes from experience in the markets. Fire for that. Me pussy clap fire for that. Come on. I'm not loving this, guys. I mean, it is high resistance glue one. We can just set the level and set and forget, but we'll see. I did not perm my hair, bro. What do I usually trade? NQ. Why are you apologizing? Get a rat tail haircut? Yo. Nah. That might be the dustiest thing in the entire world. Is rat tails. By the way, guys, that link that you see there, it's a link to free funded accounts. So basically you register. It's a Ninja Trader Trading Cup. It's completely free register. And if you perform well, you make a lot of money. And then you can get invited to the Champions League, which then makes you like 200K. It's completely free. You might as well give it a shot in full port, even if you don't want to, or just sign up and help support me, because it's just a dub. A rat tail haircut is when people have a short hair, but then they leave a little bit of hair at the back in the shape of a tail. Is it true you use mascara? Yeah, how'd you know? Okay, we need a better expansion than this, chat. Rat tails are fire, bro. Rat tails were fantasy league punishments when I was growing up. Like, I should have stayed at the Wall Street Hotel. Apparently, it's only $200 a night. I'm paying $700 a night for mine. You have a rat tail, Santana? No way. 10:30 scoop? Yeah, 10:30 is in 30 seconds, chat. Lock in. Lock in or clock in. Let's go. Here it is. It's lock in or clock in, chat. We're not locked in, nor are we clocked in. I want to see us break at least minute open. I will close my position if we start chopping around. I see it going to minute open at least. I see it going to minute open, chat. I see this thing going to midnight. Maybe not even all-time highs, but midnight open. Refactoring midnight open before taking the sell side is pretty nice. It's 10:30 now, so let's see what happens. We have a beautiful manipulation leg prior to 10:30, so if we can push back up higher, that would be beautiful. I guess we're clocking in. Price actions and buns. It's May 4th. May 4th is a holiday. But again, I'm anticipating a little bit of a chop session to midnight open at least. So we're just going to sit in this. I think we can find a nice entry. So, and I mean, I think we can get a nice trade still. I'm already in the trade. What am I talking about? I really got to go, though, in 15 minutes. So hopefully we can get a fill. I mean, not a fill. Fuck, what am I talking about, bro? Hopefully we get a rally to the upside. Yo, I'm actually bugging, chat. I'm bugging. Motherfuckers didn't know I was thugging. Nah, man, bank holiday PA is sometimes better than this. Not one on a Monday after we took all-time highs. 721,390. We're gonna rally up to minute open at least. What's up, Glitz6? I'm doing good. I'm very tired. I'm not caught up on sleep, but I'm doing good. I'm doing Gucci, chat. I'm on MNQ, not NQ. There we go. Nice recovery from that 10:30 manipulation. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, chat. See if we can rally to midnight open at least here. What's up, Amy? Let's see if we can rally. Chat, type 1 if you're in this trade with me. Sorry I missed you out in Vegas. My whole fam was there trying to find a way there. No worries, brother. I'll be in Vegas again. Look at all these people in a trade. W. You shorted? That's tough. Sorry, brother. RIP. My condolences. All right, I want to see a rally to midnight open at least, chat. Midnight open at least here. Jose, thank you for the follow. Look at that. Look at that beautifulness. Look at that beautifulness. Rally to midnight open would be nice. A rally to midnight open would be very appreciated. I do think we're going to break out here at that new 5-minute candle at 10:35. That is anticipated. So just sit on your hands. We had a beautiful manipulation leg there, so we should be fine. We should get an expansion to the upside very soon. Very soon, chat. But don't forget, guys, to register using that link. It's the Ninja Trader Cup. It's completely free. It's basically like getting a free funded account. Even if you're not going to trade, make sure to register. Free stuff. It's literally free stuff from Ninja Trader. I'm not even kidding. There's no catch, too. There's no payment, no nothing, no catch. It's dead ass just free. Where's the link? I posted it. Here, I'll post it again. I'll post it again, but it's in there. I think it's pinned. How do you sign up? Here, in this link right here, guys. Right here. Sign up using that link, guys. It's completely free. Basically like getting a free funded account. And what do I get when I register accepting part of the competition? Nothing. You'll take part of the competition. It's literally a free funded account. If you literally like get like $5,000 in profit, you make money. Yeah, I'm still holding on to Meta, 100%. Not really getting much right now, guys. Not gonna lie. Like, I see us going to midnight open at least. I might put my take profit at midnight open instead. Not gonna cat with y'all. I might put my TP to midnight open. Take a negative RR trade. $0.7R. We'll see. I mean, there's still no reason to get out of it because we're following that higher resistance liquidity on trend to the upside, but we'll see. I see it dipping down harder than shooting up. I think it's just going to rip up in like a minute or two. At least a crazy wick that could bring us to minute open, then we can close it. You know? Like, that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, chat. We're going for midnight open. We're going for 0.7R. I know I could go for all-time highs, chat, but I'd rather just like get out. Too choppy but bullish? Yeah, I know. I'm sure we'll go. I'm sure we'll rally to midnight open here, chat. I'm sure we will. Very simple. Like I'm very positive we will. So we should be fine. So far, nice rally. Chat, everyone spam one if you're in this trade. I'm making a video for my Instagram if you want to be in it. Spam one. Taking a little bit of a rough trade here in New York. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Little room tour. Head to the stock exchange later, so stay tuned for that. Let's do that again. One more time. Catching along in New York. Chat, type one if you took this trade. Yes, sir. Little room tour there. Heading to the stock exchange later, so stay tuned for that. Then we're going to the next game. W trade, though, in this terrible market, making a little bit of money there. Let's go. 9:20 a.m. Benjamin_SMC on YouTube. There you go. Look at that reaction, chat. That's what we need. 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 That is what we need. Can we move your screen down? Oh, yeah. Sorry, chat. I'm grabbing a bottle of water. You just know these things are like $10, eh? You just already know these things are going to be $10. Hotel room waters that are metal. Yeah. I'm cooked. Nice little fair value gap reaction there. I do want to rip up higher. New 5-minute candle in 5 seconds, so let's see how it goes. All right, we have a new 5-minute candle. Which laptop is it? I use the Lenovo Legion. I don't want to see price action rip to the sky here. It's 1040, so we should get at least one expansion. We haven't had an expansion since the dawn of time. I don't even want it to rip to the sky. I just want it to go to midnight open. To be honest, just make it quick, like $500, $600, and then walk away. Go to Wall Street on a profit. I'd so badly want to go to Wall Street on a profit just so I can flex the people that I'm up on the day. Oh, all the traders that are going to be there, they're going to be like, yo, how did you trade this session? And I'm going to be like, yeah, I'm up. Oh, I want to do that so badly, bro. You don't understand. Please, I want to mog them. Go to TP, please. Please go to TP. I know everyone's down today, bro. I know everyone is down today, bro. I already know it. I already know everybody that I'm going to be seeing today is negative. Oh, go to TP, bro. Go to TP. Stop loss break even, though. I will drink my stop loss here, though. That's a little low. Oh, chat, I'll be devastated if this doesn't. I would be devastated if this doesn't hit TP, bro. I want to brag that I'm up to all the traders so badly. Come on, stop messing around here, MNQ. Go take TP. Let's go, let's go, let's go. TP, W in the chat. Everyone spam W's, W trade. Hopefully tomorrow my voice isn't delayed. Then we'll have more content. But don't forget, guys, to register for the trading event with Ninja Trader. W trade here in New York. Let's make a quick video. Catching dubs here in New York City. About to be going to the stock exchange, so don't miss out on that. Oh, fuck, I fucked it. Hold on. Wait, chat. Catching W's here in New York City. Heading to the stock exchange soon. Don't miss out on my AM streams. I'm going to the next game. Fellas, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time. W in chat. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Let's go. I'm not gonna cap with y'all, chat. I'm not gonna cap with y'all. This better go to TP. Alright, take my shit out of here. Get my shit out of there. I'm out of that motherfucker. I don't trust it. I'm sorry, chat. I'm not getting baited like that. On a day like today, I'm securing my profits. I know such shit are, but like I'm up. Now I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to pull up my phone. I'm going to put the trading executions on. And I'm just going to show people this. Right there. All right, chat. W's. We're going to finish in prayer, and then I'm going to go to Wall Street. W trading day today. Well, terrible trading day, but W wins. That's what I was saying is honestly, Ben, just take a profit. All right, fellas. I will see you guys tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time. I am going to the stock exchange and then New York Knicks game. So, fellas, let's finish in prayer. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for another amazing day and opportunity. Lord, please be with us, protect us, forgive us for our sins, and remind us that everything happens for a reason. Lord Jesus Christ, God, thank you for everything. Just glory and praise be to your name. And help me as I grow and continue to achieve more things, so always glorify you. In Jesus Christ's holy amazing name I pray. Amen. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right, fellas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. God bless. Don't forget to register for that Ninja Trader event. I'll post the link right now. Do not forget. It's a free funded account. Also, if you don't even want to trade it, you can just register for free and help support me because I make $50 per register. So if everyone in this stream right now registered, I'd be making $50K. And then obviously I'll give some back to you guys. Other than that, fellas, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. I'll take some videos. Stay tuned for the vlog that's going to come out in a week and a half. Crazy vlog. Other than that, God bless. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.